Hi Prasha. Today we will discuss about the physical, virtual, and cloud infrastructure. The day one session of AWS course. Physical infrastructure is nothing but where physically connected like desktops, and servers, storages, databases. These all stuffs are physically connected. That is called physical infrastructures. Physical infrastructure. I have a real time scenario for the physical infrastructure, uh, like bank premises data center, like example for that. In a large private banks decide to build and maintain some physical infrastructure for handling their data and operation means, and they want their infrastructure like servers, storage devices, network devices, power supply, cooling system, security like IT team. These all stuff, all physical stuff, infrastructure included in that bank data centers. What are the challenges they are faced in the physical infrastructures means high cost, need for skilled staffs to manage it, limited scalability. These are all the disadvantages are faced by the physical infrastructure. And advantages means infrastructures, more investment on servers, maintenance. These are all the advantages. Disadvantages is like high initial cost, scalability is hard, maintenance is required for the physical and virtual cloud infrastructures. And server and physical infrastructure is nothing. Server are powerful computer uh, that provides services, data and applications. Other computers called it's called clients or networks. If I give a real time example for the server means, if XY is a company called hospital IT department, company is that means a large hospital setups in the physical server inside in the building. They are building inside the building means uh, what are all the what server do means store their patients' medical records securely, and that run hospital management software used by the reception, doctors, labs, and billing departments. These stuffs are included in the servers. Manage internal emails like communication. Host the hospital website in some cases, like types of physical servers. There's four types of physical servers are there. One is file server, database server, application server, and email server. What are all the characteristics means high performance in hardware, always on 24/7 available. Now often run server specific operation system like Windows server and Linux server, like two servers are there. Can be physically or virtually. Physically means dedicated machine, or virtually means hosted on another software. Like in the sense they are hardware setup means server hardware setup means it's nothing but rack mounted servers, like rack mounted servers, backup systems like data safety, and UPS was there. Physical infrastructure means servers UPS was there. Physical access control was there, like biometric, ID card, these kind of stuff are there. For advantages means fully controlled over data. The data was fully controlled. And medical privacy law is important for that. No? Medical privacy law was important means the its advantages for the medical private law. And next one is virtualization. Nothing but virtualization the process. Virtualization the process. Virtualization the process of creating a virtual version of a physical resource like servers, storage, operation system, or network using software. These kind of stuff are there. It allows only physical machine only to run multiple virtual machines, each behaving like a separate computer. Yeah. If in case that simple definition for virtualization means more with less hardware by running multiple system on one physical machine. These are called the virtualization. In this, we have a real-time example for in an IT company. The company has using service company. The company was using the virtualization. company has one powerful server instead of buying 10 separate physical machines. They use virtualization software like VMware, Hyper-V, etc. to create 10 virtual machines on the one server. Like the different type of purposes are there. Purposes was there. One is one runs a HR system, one runs a website, one runs a testing software, one runs a databases, and other one runs some developers other are used for the developers, other VMwares are used for the developers. And the key virtualization tool was hypervisor, VMware, host machine, and guest machine. Another one is there are two types of hypervisors are there. One is a Hyper-V, another one is a barometer. Two types is there, but two are the software. Hyper-V is a software, and barometer Hyper-V is upon the Windows OS, and barometer is installing upon the hardware. This is a two difference between for hypervisor, Hyper-V, and the barometer. Next one is what are the benefits including in the virtualization means cost saving, like energy efficient, easy backup and recovery, better resource and utilization, like next page is advantages of less investment, less maintenance, and less space for using these kind of virtualization. Yeah. What are the challenges means it requires powerful host hardware. Overload can show the VMwares while using the overload of data or something new means it managed. If it is not managed well, overload means automatically slow down. Next one is need skilled staff to manage the virtual infrastructures. Yeah, and next one is Cloud OS as a server OS. Cloud OS and server OS is nothing but Cloud OS. It is used for a user. It's used by end user for a personal task. And server OS, it means it's used for a server to manage network user and services. And its example, for client OS means Windows 10, 11, Mac OS, Ubuntu, desktop, etc. And another for server OS means the Windows server, Ubuntu server, and Red Hat server is included for server OS. It mainly focuses on supports and its focuses on user interface and application, like we can browsing the data, media, and documents for our own purpose, for our own task, for our personal tasks, including it is for client OS. In server OS, is focused on performance, security, like resources, networking, resources management, etc. It is for a server OS. And last is a cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure is nothing but it refers to virtual physical components like servers, storages, networking, and software that are delivered over the internet by the cloud providers like such as AWS, Azure, and GCP Cloud, Google Cloud Platform. What are the key points and benefits means no need to own the physical server. Another one is pay as you use the model, and like scalable, it's flexible, and it's accessible for from everywhere. If you are in Chennai, another one in the receiver is in Mumbai means we are easily accessible, flexibly using this cloud infrastructure. Like example for Amazon EC2 instance like there, Google Cloud Computing, and Microsoft Azure virtual machines are there. These kind of key points are there. What are the benefits means is cost effective, fast setup and deployment, and automatically update and maintenance, access from anywhere. This is all. Thank you for that opportunity. Thank you.